So listen, if adding one new payment method makes you revisiting your old codes, makes you change the code and force you to do that, yeah, we need to talk. Look at this classic backend mistake. This is the process payment functions, and it has a lot of cases which describe which payment method the user might be choosing. Credit card, PayPal, Stripe. But what if we need to add more payment method, let's say Apple Pay? We need to change the core of our code, of our functions. This function will always change. That violates open close principle, which is the second principle in solid principle. That's too much principle, I guess. Yeah, this is the mindset. Your core code should not change when the feature grows. That is the core mindset you should have. So the idea is that makes your code extensible as possible and close to modifications. So do this instead. First, create an interface of the core of your features like payment method. So what does payment method have? It's pay, right? Pay functions with amount of it. And then each payment type, we just need to create new functions and type from that. For example, if new payment type is credit card, we just create credit card and inherits the interface of payment method, which is it needs pay functions. And also the PayPal, we just need new type and new implementations of the pay functions, and so on and so forth. This can also inside completely different files to make it more maintainable. And what is the consequences of this? So in the main function suite, we only need to call pay.pay, which is pay is the payment method, which is the core of the interface. This code will never change because any type of the payment method will always call the pay functions. And let's say in the next 5 months, we need to add more payment methods. For example, Apple Pay, we just need to add new struct and implement the new pay functions. So any new payment method you add, just create a new interface, new file, and it's completely outside your core code, and it's really helping any maintainability issues. Subscribe for more solid principle explanations.